For my hair wash day routine, I'm gonna use the best in the best. 25 years strong, staying black, biggly black. I'm talking about the number one hair care product in Philadelphia. I'm using the Jamaica Black Castor Oil organic shampoo. Now I'm gonna wash my hair because I pre-boil it to rinse it off. Now applying the Jamaica Castor Oil. Open it. That's how it comes, like very thick. See, I'm flushy check. Very flushy. You can see. Use my brush. Because this one is massaging the scalps. Because they said this side of my head. So I finished applying my deep condition right here. You can see it's empty. That's the result. I'm gonna comb it. See that? So that's why when I finish, so guys, 15 minutes is over. As you can see, this one need to go to the trash. Right here. My homemade oil. If you wanna see the video, is down there. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. The same brand. This is the hair butter. I'm using it already.